Today we're going to talk about sash jammers, why they're used and how to fit them. So sash jammers were invented for Upvc doors and windows for extra security. Okay, so the way they work is, if the window is opening outwards, like so, we would fit them on the frame so it leaps over onto the frame. That way then the window cannot be opened. If the window is opening inwards, we fit it on the frame, going over onto the window. Again, stopping the window from moving. Same principle with a door. Okay, so you've got two different types of sash jammers. You've got non-locking, no key, so this means it can move up and down freely. And you've got locking, which need a key to move up and down, like so. Okay. So Peter, one of our engineers, is going to show you how to fit a non-locking sash jammer to both a window and a door. If you look now, the window will not open. Okay? So now we're going to take that sash jammer off and then fit it on the UPVC door behind.